Hoping that people meant to listen this message reach out to this video. And if you have reserved, this is not the coincidence, and listen to this carefully. I can see here that you are seeking for the validation. You are seeking and longing for a relationship, and a homely coming relationship, which is very calm, quiet, and the success which will bring you the celebrations. But the thing is, you are not being matured enough to receive it, because you have all the things inside you which will bring you to the justice of your life, in relationship, in career, in business, or whatever you are meant to get that. But the thing is, all these things, the brighter days of your life, is only stopping you because you are postponing so many decisions in your life. Something, I think, there is some decisions, there is some planning, there is something you need to do. It is not, it is just a general message, so I'm not getting the exact link, but kuch to hai, something is there which is you are not doing because of the fear, because of the comparison, because you think that I'm not getting according to the time others people getting that. Stop comparing yourself, because and when you do that, when you surrender your work and the karma, and you stop postponing the things, and use all your skills, use all your inner conscience, and decrease the fear, have the boldness in you, then you will be have that longing relationship in your life. I know you have already done so many things in your life till now, build bit by bit, step by step, you have created so many other things, and for that you have feeling the exhaustion. But the exhaustion, the result, the exhaustion is getting not the result, not the, because you are longing for celebration, but because you are not taking the step, because of the fear, not faith. You don't have the faith for the God, and that is why I see you are not able to have the brighter days. But it will come. But these brighter days might come to you when you have losing the hope. These brighter days might come to you when you are not longing, when you will exhausted in your life. So that this is the guidance to get the brighter days in a very calming way, in a very positive way. You have to have throw to the world all the things that you needed. You have to throw the world what is necessary to have, not by just stepping back your answer, stepping back your kya bolte usko, the things you need to do. Don't have the comparison, and don't longing to the past experiences, please. And invest properly, take the decisions properly, do your work, have the experiences. You will get that type of relations, you will get all the celebration, you will get all the reunions, everything. Just have the faith and use all your skills, experiences, inner conscious, and everything.